kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some jerk Parmesan chicken wings. Yes, I'm telling you, this recipe is gonna be super delicious. Trust me, it's gonna be so yummy. Don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, share this video to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it guys, okay? And thank you all so much in advance. So guys, this is my chicken wings and this is just over 1 pack of chicken wings. I believe this is at least 14 wings. I'm not quite sure, but I believe, you know, around that. So these are some of my ingredients that I will be using. I'm gonna start off with my jerk. This is my wet jerk seasoning. And guys, if you don't know how to make jerk seasoning, I have a video on my channel on how I make my wet jerk marinate. You guys can go and check it out. And you can also buy it from your local Caribbean shop, your African shop, or even in the supermarket. They sell everywhere. Online, they're everywhere guys, trust me. These are my powder seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of my onion powder. And I also have garlic and parsley seasoning all in one. Some olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons. And I also have some dark soya, 1 tablespoon. You can also use browning. So now I'm gonna season my chicken wing first. So I'm gonna first add my olive oil. And guys, with my chicken wings, some of them I leave whole and some of them I cut it. But this all depends on what you like, okay? You don't have to do that. Then I'm gonna blend all. Add my seasoning. And I'm gonna leave back some, okay? So I'll leave back at least this amount. I'm leaving it back for my Parmesan. And I'm gonna make my Parmesan for my Parmesan dressing. So that the wet jerk seasoning. And the dark soya sauce. So now I'm just gonna take my hand and just massage it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. It smells so good. And guys, I'm gonna also add some of my cornstarch. And the cornstarch is just gonna allow your chicken wings to be extra crispy. Because obviously I'm not gonna fry it. I'm gonna make it in my air fryer. You can also put it in your oven also if you don't have an air fryer, okay? So I'm gonna add at least roughly just over 1 tablespoon of my cornstarch. Yeah, over 1 to 2 tablespoons, okay? Just gonna gently mix it in. My chicken wings is nicely seasoned. You can also leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? Yes. This is my hair fryer, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray some of my olive oil. Then I'm gonna add my chicken wings. But guys, try not to add so much, okay? You don't want to add too much of your chicken wings all at once. I'm also gonna add one of it, one in the middle, just like so. And guys, I'm gonna add a garlic in my air fryer for my Parmesan dressing. Okay, you can always add it to your oven, as I said, if you don't have an air fryer, because I want it to become, you know, soft. So that's the reason why. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you add some olive oil to your garlic, so when it's ready, you know, to come out, it can be really soft and easy to pull apart. So this is at least 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Make sure that you give it a wash. You just add it, you know, put it anywhere. Yeah, just like so. I'm gonna close it up now. And I'm just gonna leave my chicken wings, guys, to cook for at least 12 minutes. Try not to overcook your chicken wings in the air fryer, because air fryer is very powerful. So in no time the chicken wings cook. I'm telling you, you don't want it to burn, so try not to overcook it. If you're gonna do it in the oven, you do it at least on 20-25 minutes on each side and 180 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Oops. Guys, now I'm gonna check back on my chicken wings. This is how it look. Super delicious. It look amazing. So guys, as I said, you want to cook it in your air fryer for at least 12 to 11 minutes. Okay, try not to overcook it. This look amazing. Hear that crust? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over, because you want the other side to nice and golden. So 12 minutes on each side. I'm gonna spray more of my olive oil. Now I'm gonna put it back. So now guys, I'm gonna check back on my chicken wings. They look amazing. Super delicious. As you can see guys, they are nice and perfectly brown, so crispy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on a rack. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my cooling rack because I want it to continue to be crispy. Okay, look at that, so yummy. So this is my cooling rack that I'm gonna put it on. So guys, I just removed my chicken wings and put it to my cooling rack. So what I did, I removed some of the bits that was in my air fryer, and I also add some more of my olive oil. So I'm just gonna add my remaining chicken wings that leave back. And one in the middle. That's it. So now guys, I'm just gonna check up on these batch. Nice and crispy and golden. I'm gonna flip it over. So guys, these are all of my ingredients to make my Parmesan dressing. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least half cup of my Parmesan cheese that I grated. I also have half teaspoon of my wet jerk marinade. Try not to add too much because you don't want it to be super spicy. I also have some fresh parsley. You want some butter, at least some unsalted butter, and this is half cup. This is my garlic that was in my air fryer. It is nicely soft and roast. So here's my glass bowl right here. So I'm just gonna firstly add my butter. And guys, what I did, I melt my butter just a bit, okay? Yes. This is my roast garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my fork and just squeeze it, press it down. I'll just take my fingers. See that? Nice, soft. That's exactly what you want. Perfect. Now that I press it down my garlic, I'm just gonna add it to my butter like so. I'm just gonna mix it all in. I butter my garlic first. I'm gonna add my wet jerk marinade. My remaining seasoning. And now my Parmesan cheese. This dressing, guys, is gonna be so delicious. And my parsley, just for color, it is optional. So guys, this is exactly what you want, okay? You don't want it to be super thick, just a bit runny also. If it's too thick, you just add some more butter, okay? I just taste some, and guys, it tastes so yummy. So that's done, ready for my chicken wings. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken wings to my dressing. Just wanna drop it in there. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. I cannot wait to eat it. It's gonna be so flavorful. So now that I add my chicken wings, I'm just gonna take my wooden spoon and just toss it around. Absolutely delicious. Guys, look at that close up. Super delicious. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, so yummy. Perfect. I'm just gonna play it out, so guys, stay tuned, okay?
You can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So guys, as you can see, I'm just plating up my Parmesan chicken wings. Honestly, it came out perfect. I just taste some and it is absolutely delicious. This recipe, guys, is a must try. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my Parmesan cheese on top, you know, just for presentation. It is totally optional. Guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye. Love you all.